Hey guys, Bradley from Deien Chevrolet here, back to show you this 2019 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Hop in. So starting up top, we do have a home link system for programming your garage door opener. That way you don't have to hang around those clunky visor clips anymore. Power sunroof and tilt, power liftgate, and a mirror for your back seat if your kiddos are being bad. We have your touchscreen radio, Bluetooth capable, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable, and also hidden cubby behind the radio as well too. And we got some more hidden storage with built-in USBs and 12-volt plug-ins, and your cup holders hidden right here as well. So for the driver, we have seat memory settings. You can set up to 2 different settings for 2 different drivers, along with an exit position button, power folding mirrors, power windows, power locks, your automatic lights, 4-wheel drive control, lane keep assist, adjustable pedals, and parking sensors can all be controlled here. This Denali is also equipped with rain sensing wiper blades, a heated steering wheel, and forward collision alert, both located on the left side of your steering wheel by your cruise control settings. Now on your right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth controls, along with your arrows to control your information center. That way you can control your miles per hour, speedometer, trip A, trip B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, and all that good stuff there. So as you can see, this Denali is loaded up with all the features that you need in your next vehicle. So stop by and see it today at Deien Chevrolet.